Look at this up here.
See what we got going over here right now, y'all, is a nice little car wash, right? $54? See that we ain't been out here not even an hour, right? We're gonna raise $54. You know what I'm saying? Because we got the children, we got the grown-ups, and see we say it's free, right? But we let people tug on their hearts. We let people get what they want, you know? Hey, it is what it is. It is what it is.
We had I.U.I.C give us $15. Right, most of them moved the harder to I.U.I.C.
After she gave us $50.
We raising this money, we raising this money to make it New York for Passover. We work the both sides together.
Right.
Let me go look, turn around.
Free car wash!
Free car wash!
Let's go, y'all. Let's hit it.
We all know we like popcorn.
Freak the people out with the recording and live when they pull up. So what? Take it off? Yeah. Alright, y'all, let's get to work.
How about take pictures of, hey, Zaria, how about taking pictures of workers?
She don't want to take no pictures.
Take pictures of people who work.
Oh, we are working.
Yeah, I know.
We had to take a break. I ain't took no pictures of this. All the pictures are of y'all.
Let's go, bitch. Come on. We're waiting on the camera right now.
Spike Lee.
I'm going to cut on my car for the air, but I'm going to
Did nobody think about getting the car?